Just second video of my Tarifa visit in the southern coast of Spain. I'll just show you where it is again in case people didn't watch the first video. It's here at the most southern point of Spain, overlooking Morocco, not too far from Gibraltar. Lovely little place, as you see in the first video. Just some more businesses here. Maybe I think there's a hotel in there, maybe the church, and a few other various sites from around Tarifa. Well worth a visit if anybody fancies a holiday to a nice little Spanish town with a lot of history. It's also got a new area as well, but it's well within the reach of going to Gibraltar or Roman ruins or Cadiz. Sevilla, Malaga's not that far away. You see on the top right, I flew into Malaga, and it was a 2-hour drive down to Tarifa. What a lovely little place, and a few more sights. It's the headless statue of Tarifa, decapitated. Little Spanish move here. You don't get run over by a Spanish bastard. Little Spanish electrical phone work here. Just outside the Guardia Civil headquarters here. Going to report on a Mr. Duncan Smith for saying they're corrupt persistently. We're onto him. We're onto him. Fish. Nice little Spanish cafe here. Got my breakfast here most mornings, a bacon sandwich. Most of the Spanish were eating tomato paste on toast with a bit of oregano was the order of the day. No fish for me. Just a little market here. A lot of the locals in the town shop at, a bit cheaper maybe, and sells various things, fish, clothes, and a lot of other things, to be honest, just sort of hidden away in the old village. But yeah, nice little market. A lovely pizza restaurant. He had 2 pizzas from, sat in once and got 1 takeaway. Absolutely beautiful. Everyone goes to Tarifa, well worth a visit to this restaurant. This is the second church in the old town. I'll go into the main church in a moment. This is the sort of second church. I'm not sure if it's different faiths or something, to be honest, so I wish they have two. Still nice, a grand, nice church, but not quite as big and grand as the second one I'll go in a moment. Por favor. Wow. Wow. Lovely little church, well, not so little church here. It's in the centre of the old town. There's two churches. This is the main one. There's also a church connected to the castle. I'm not sure if that's in use as a church, but yeah, this is the main church of the town. Lovely, massive. You wonder how they built such things in the old days, like such grand building. Lovely, sort of. Well, what the word is. Ornaments or just displays of Jesus and Mary in various areas around the church. When I walked into the church, there was an old man sat there, and I walked him into the camera and said, "Wow!" and he gave us a funny look, and I'm not sure if he gestured to me to someone in Spanish. Obviously, I didn't know what he meant, and I didn't know if he meant "take my cap off," "shut up," or "stop filming." So I wasn't quite sure what I was told to do there by someone in Spanish, so I just stopped filming for like 5 seconds and then started filming again. So I didn't really listen to what he said. I'm not quite sure what he said. Someone in Spanish. Here's a restaurant, Bruce Willis. Bruce Willis was famously sighted at here in Tarifa. This is the restaurant. Bruce Willis of Hollywood fame, Die Hard, Armageddon, you name it. This is one of the newest streets in Tarifa. It's sort of, you come in one way. It's more a modern area, to be honest. A sort of couple of modern streets with shops on as well. The banks mainly are at the start of the street there. Those the banks. Santander is being built, and various other banks in the town on this sort of main street. Down the bottom of this street's Burger King, and there's a lot of surf shops for the young surfer community that comes to the area. And yeah, just a bit more of a modern area really of Tarifa. Various businesses of all kinds, to be honest, down there. As I say, a Burger King and surf shops down the bottom, banks up the top, but in between there's all manner of businesses, takeaways, supermarkets, you name it. And yeah, just again is the local statue of Tarifa. This is the local statue of Tarifa of Alfredo de Guzman, I believe was his name. His castle's just to the left there. I go to the castle in another video, and yeah, this is the statue, the man who he sacrificed his child to the Muslims to save the town, and a statue obviously is here for his sacrifice, and they still celebrate the man today for sacrificing his child to save the town many moons ago. This is a lovely hotel. I didn't stay here. I just popped in on the way past. Basically, it's maybe a mile or two up the Golden Beach from Tarifa. It's right on the beach, as you can see when I walk down to the front there. And yeah, just a lovely little hotel. Not dead expensive, but a bit more expensive in the summer. It's called the Hurricane Hotel, I believe. Yeah, just a really nice hotel. few more sites there and a couple of businesses, hotels, from Tarifa, around Tarifa in southern Spain. I went to the Castle of de Guzman and some Roman ruins in Gibraltar as well. I'll make them in another video, but yeah, just a bit more of Tarifa. Peace.